Hi, good morning or evening for some of you. Welcome to my channel, High School Hokage. How things going on with your math lesson? Is it hard or challenging or just easy? Let's make things easier. Okay, why Hokage? Because I am not young and I am slow. Okay, let's begin. Okay, we start with number 11. Yeah, this is an elimination questions. Number 11 is talking about the price of beef and chickens in weeks. Okay, so what was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound per chicken? In here, simply B equals to C. Yeah, we want to know when it happens. Yeah, so we are trying to find X first and then we find the price. So B is 2.35 plus 0.25x equals to 1.75 plus 0.40x. Okay, so we classify the one who doesn't have x to the left and the one who have x to the right. So this become 0.6 equals to 0.15x. Yeah, so x is 0.6. I could write as 0.60 over 0.15. Yes, x equals to 4. If x equals to 4, so the price of the beef or chicken are the same. So I'm gonna use beef, yeah. So beef is 2.35 plus 0.25 times 4, which is 1. So it is 3.35 delta. Number 12 is actually about y equals to mx plus c as well, yeah. So when it passes through the origin, the c, the origin equals to 0, and the slope equals to 1 over 7. So let's try B for a test, yeah. So y equals to 7, 1 times 1 over 7. Oh, the value is not much, so the answer is not B. Let's try D. So 2 equals to 14 over 7. Wow, it's match. So the answer is delta. Number 13. Yeah, before we discuss 13, I want to refresh your knowledge about the fractions. If we have the sum of the fractions, we could do the cross multiple, become like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the same thing in here. So that would be 1 over x plus 3 plus x plus 2 over the multiplication of them. Yeah, x squared plus 5x plus 6. But then if we have 1 over b per c, it is equals to c per b. So we're gonna flip the answer that we already got here. It will become b. Flip it. Number 14. Yeah, we have one equations and we are looking for value. Yeah, normally if we want to find two values at the minimum, we need two equations. Yeah, but now we would see whether if we have some justifications from the simplifications that we have. A can be written as 2 over 3, yeah, and this is the value of y. Substitute to the denominator, this is the y, yeah. So 2 raised to 3x over 2 raised to 3x times 2 raised to minus 12. Is there anything you could cancel? Yes. Cancel, cancel. So it goes to the top, become positive. 2 raised to 12. A. Number 15, it's about the corresponding positions. Yeah. So after we expand, the left side become like this. Yeah. ABX squared plus 2BX and blah blah blah. Yeah. And this is the right side. Of course, I put them in the right, yeah, to make it less confused. Yeah, to make it consistent. Okay, what does it mean by the corresponding? AB, look, with x squared equals to 15, okay, with x squared. And then 2b plus 7a equals to c. The question here is asking for the value of c. Okay, I assume you have the questions by yourself and you have tried it. So you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. So from here we could assume that AB is positive, yeah, because AB is factor of 15, and we can assume as well that AB is integer. Yeah, factor of 15 is 1, 15, 3, and 5. Wow. So which one, if we sum, equals to 8? I think this. Yeah. So we're gonna experiment with 2b plus 7a now. 2b plus 7a, 2 times 3, 7 times 5. Oh, my stomach is talking. So this is 6 plus 35 equals to 41. Okay. Without doing more calculations, we could pick D as the answer. Okay, number 16. Yeah, this is the essay questions. We're gonna factorize this, become t plus 2, t minus 2. Yeah, because a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So we have two options, yeah, two answers. T equals to 2 or t equals to negative 2. But then they have the condition t must be greater than 0. So this one we don't pick. The answer is 2. For number 17, they are looking for the value of x. So I'm gonna put every information in here into the drawing that I already made, length of AB, EB, BD, and DC. From here we could see that they have ratio. The ratio is 1 and 2. This is the small, this is the big. So if this is 800, yeah, so this is 800 times 2, 1600. Okay, I'll pause for a bit to take a breath. Number 18 is another elimination. So they are looking for the value of x. Okay, from the equations of x, from the equation here we could see that x already the same, yeah, so I would just minus them. So that would be minus y equals to 16. So y equals to negative 16. Yeah, so x Negative 16 is equals to minus 9. So x equals to 7, yeah. In the right triangle, one angle measures x. Okay, this is x. Sine x is 4 over 5. Sine x, so opposite over hypotenuse, 4 over 5. What is cos 90 minus x? Okay, guys, this is 90. Yeah. So if you wonder where is 90 minus x, let's say 90 minus x equals to alpha, yeah. So it's here. So if they're asking for cos alpha, cos is cah adjacent over hypotenuse. This is the same 4 over 5. So A is 5 root 2. 5 root 2. Yeah, so this is 10 root 2 equals to, we could separate this, become root 2, root x, could cancel it. So x is 10 square equals to 100. Okay, I think that's all for part 2.